eating so peacefully. No one to bother him. Look at those small hands and his large feet here, large nails. I can't get much more closer than this. Nice. Seeing a big mouse in a broad daylight, peacefully eating a bread. Hey little mousey, how you doing? Yeah, eat that.